In a world where we have easy access to sugary foods, and where even fruit is artificially selected to be as sweet as possible, it's no surprise that hyperglycemia and diabetes are issues. Let's take a look at why. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a term for diseases which result in the inability to regulate blood glucose levels. Let's discuss the different types. Type 1 is passed down from family members and results from the pancreas being unable to produce insulin. Type 2 diabetes is the result of desensitization of your own body to the effects of insulin because of chronic over intake of sugars. Know the risks. Diabetes, especially type 2, is often associated with hyperglycemia and has risks. These include cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, kidney damage and failure, and damage to the blood vessels of the retina, which can potentially lead to blindness. Let's take a look at how these occur. This is a RAGE receptor, or receptor for advanced glycation end products. The RAGE receptor has 5 domains: the variable domain, which binds to specific ligands, 2 constant domains, a transmembrane domain, and an intracellular domain, which undergoes a conformational change upon the binding of a ligand. RAGE may play a role in the inflammatory response associated with high blood glucose levels. The binding of RAGE on an endothelial cellular leukocyte with a glycated molecule results in an intracellular signaling cascade involving the activation of a transcription factor, nuclear kappa B, which controls several genes involved with inflammation. These genes are then transcribed from cells' DNA and translated into proteins responsible for inflammation. Hyperglycemia increases the rate of glycation of proteins and lipids found in the bloodstream. As a result, these glycated molecules bind to the RAGE receptor and activate it, activating NK-kappa B. This causes the expression of inflammatory proteins as well as the upregulation of the RAGE receptor. This creates a positive feedback loop, amplifying the inflammation. Long-term inflammation results in tissue damage, which causes the symptoms associated with untreated diabetes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about anything you learned from this video, you can find more information from the Protein Data Bank website.